Hello everyone and welcome to 5165 New Haven Road. Located in sunny San Diego, we have a corner lot here in North Clairemont, a very desirable neighborhood, very centrally located, accessible to a lot of the shopping, a lot of the grocery, and UTC Mall. We got UCSD not too far away, the UTC Shopping Center. We've got some Sprouts and we got a Vons nearby, Home Depot, and Kohl's. A lot of exciting places. A lot of great restaurants within 5 minutes or so. As you can see, this home is on a corner lot. We get the big corner space. We have a 4-bed, 1-bath, and a half-bath. The home is 1,332 square feet. Right away when we walk in, we are going to see the kitchen. It is a walk-through kitchen with access from the garage. The only thing missing here is the fridge. That would be the only technical thing you'd have to bring in if you wanted to just move in. If you want to do some updating, it would be pretty simple to keep the same layout, get some cabinets, get some fresh faces or fresh doors. You could even keep the boxes if you wanted to. The cabinets themselves, they are sound and they are solid cabinets, so you wouldn't necessarily have to change a whole lot. Right here is the main living room. The nice thing about this is it does have that open feeling into the kitchen with that half wall right there. Get your TV and your couch in here and start entertaining your guests. Off to the left of the kitchen, when we're going to pan back here, is, you could consider it the dining room or the formal dining room. This is the large garage. Easily fit 2 cars in here. It does have a lot of storage, a lot of space, workbench. There is a sink and faucet here, so if you are working in the garage and you do get dirty, you can keep the grease and grime out in the garage instead of traipsing it into the house. Right there is a little inlet area where you could, if you wanted to put a freezer, you could put a chest freezer right there. This is what I call a formal dining room. There's no closets or anything in here, so we can't call it a bedroom. Off of this room is one of the bedrooms. The bedrooms are pretty standard size for homes of this age. This home was built in 1959, and most of the bedrooms, they're either 10 by 10, 11 by 11. That's pretty standard for homes of this age. We're going to go take a look at the other 3 bedrooms and the bathrooms. They're down this hallway. Right away off to the left, we've got the main bedroom, or excuse me, the bathroom. Got the tub in here, toilet, faucet. Some of the newer features of this home include a newer roof that was replaced in 2012. Also, it does have solar tubes that were installed. I do not have a year of when those were installed, but I'm sure that information could be procured if need be. It does have a security system and programmable hot water recirculating system, so you can always have hot water and save some of that money from your utility costs by getting that recirculated. Keep in mind that homes in this area are extremely desirable. They do sell fast, and also inventory has been on the decline somewhat. Rates have been going up, so there has been a little bit of a push for people to jump and take advantage of the rates. We are expecting another rate hike before the end of December. A month ago, we already had 1 rate hike. I think it was the 3rd one for this year, and we're expecting another one with the current administration. We don't see any reductions coming anytime soon in the interest rates. Here is the master bedroom. We do have the half bath connected to the master bedroom. You can see the toilet and the sink right there. Pretty tastefully done for the size that they have. If somebody wanted to do a little bit of remodeling, I'm sure they could update that to make it a little bit more tasteful. Maybe clean up the carpets or put some new carpets in, get some paint on the walls. The backyard is my favorite feature out here. We have a beautiful brick lane hot tub jacuzzi. We also have some fruit trees back here. There is a lemon tree. I'm not sure what the other tree is. Lots of space for entertaining, lots of space if you have animals and kids. Let them run around, let them have their fun. Definitely makes for a appealing entertaining area. Put your grill out here, get a picnic table, have your fun. As I was saying earlier, take advantage of the rates that we have now. They have been going up, and we want our buyers to be taking advantage of that. VA, you can still get that 0% down. I do have some ability to get lending at a great rate with 3% down. If you want to learn more about that, let me know. I'd be happy to get you the information. If you have a realtor that wants to know that information, you can definitely pass my information along. We'd be happy to help you out. I appreciate your time, and thank you for viewing. Bye-bye.